Guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can disable Windows updates on Windows 11. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to go into your start menu, and then you are going to click over here, and then you are going to search services, and then you are going to double click this, and then you are going to find Windows updates. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will be able to find Windows update. So here it is. You are going to click over here. You are going to double click over here, and then you are going to search. Then you are going to look for startup type. There is manual. You are going to disable it, and then you are going to go to the recovery. First failure, restart the service. You have to change it to the take no action. Then you have to click OK. And then you are going to go to over services stopped. If service status is stopped, if it is not stopped, you have to going to select stop, and then it will be stopped. So that's how you disable Windows updates. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our future videos, and like the video if you appreciate our effort. Thank you for watching.